Hi, today I'm going to be talking to you about Kid Citizen, but first I have a few questions for you. Have you ever used Snapchat, played Sims, watched Tim and Moby, or played video games? Well, if so, you've interacted with an avatar. But first, what is Kid Citizen? Kid Citizen is an online source where students learn about Congress through simulations. During episodes, children interactively explore Congress and civic engagement through historical primary sources and connect what they find with their daily lives. When you go on Kid Citizen, there's going to be episodes. These episodes include what are primary sources, community helpers, Congress and child labor, Welcome to Congress, Capture the Flag, Snap a Photo, Agent of Change, and many more. So, what are the three tools? One tool is an avatar, the other is subtitles, and images and photographs. Avatars. The avatars interact with the student, guides you through the simulation, and builds on prior knowledge. But why is an avatar important? It allows the students to follow along with ease, is able to reach all students, and gives the students less stress to decode unfamiliar words. It is said that the presence of human digital characteristics in virtual environments significantly improved learner motivation and retention. The second tool is subtitles. It allows students to read along as the avatar talks to them, so they can recognize words that they're hearing to words that they're reading. The subtitles are important because it allows the students to decode large words. It allows the students to hear how to pronounce certain words, helps ELL students pronounce certain sounds and words, and it is said that on-screen textual information with audio-visual materials can help ELL students develop listening skills using authentic materials. Third one is images or photographs. Helps students visualize and allows them to physically look at different objects from the past. Why are images important? Allows students to make connections to their lives, allows students to compare differences, and it is said that it can engage students who don't always respond to written materials. They can be used to reinforce material covered in other media. They can connect students with their environment and culture, as well as with other cultures. So, Kid Citizen is useful. Now we're going to take a short quiz, not quiz, but survey to see if you would use Kid Citizen in your classroom. Thank you.